So you guys are going to have to pursue me, but Blaine, you are going to be primary officer, which means you're going to take command.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
All right, let's go. Yeah.
Do I run or what?
No, we're supposed to follow me. We're doing a pursuit.
Through Mary
Bro.
87 to
It's me.
Just-
I'm doing the pursuit.
No.
Yo, Blaine, you're primary. Blaine, you're primary.
through Mary 87 to dispatch. We're going to be in an active 1080 with a 4-door black and white Charger. We're going to be going down, I think, Joshua. We're going to be passing the 24/7 streams way over 100.
Primary 36 to dispatch. I'm gonna be secondary.
Swerving all over the road. And 4 other units.
Bro, the other guy thinks that we're doing an actual pursuit here.
10-4. I'm gonna be attempting if the subject goes down.
lag spike.
Yeah, I know, I'm lagging too.
Oh yeah, just so you know, you need permission from dispatch to do a pit.
You can
One
get
item.
wait. You can
3
get
Mary
permission by
87 to dispatch.
or
Permission
higher
to
up.
pit.
Or
Oh,
higher up.
you have full permission to pit.
You can get permission by.
You're
Cement, hit
lagging.
me!
No, my car. My car.
Hold on, I'll go get it.
Units go. I'm gonna.
I'm getting Bro, save the car.
Where are you at? Can you TP me, please? This is funny. Oh my
Turn off your
god.
sirens.
Alright, continue the pursuit.
I was
Ran
lagging
lost
so
from
bad.
my car.
Okay, who am I chasing? This guy.
Me. One in the Charger.
10-4. We're gonna be on Route 68.
Come on, you
Yeah.
got this. Pick up the speed. You got this, bro. You
3
got
Mary
this.
87. Permission to pit when he slows down.
Oh,
Pit
you
timer.
have full permission to pit. What
10-4.
the?
What is this? 1 out of 3 Mary 87. Pit successful box
Okay,
in.
hold on.
Box.
For RP, this car cannot be pitted because you are on the same team as me.
Oh, so there's an actual pit thing?
Yeah.
Put your
so
hands
it's
to the
millions. No.
Hey, officer, take command. Take. Oh,
Oh,
Okay,
misclick,
driver of the vehicle.
Misclick.
Sure.
Okay, hold on.
Misclick.
It was going to be a foot pursuit. So just pretend I go along with the foot pursuit.
I wasn't misclick. Just...
Okay.
Officer, go
Okay,
chase him.
By the way, if someone is non-lethal, you have to tase them. Do not tase them in first person. Okay.
Good.
I know.
Here,
Stay on the ground. Don't move.
I got lethal. I got your cover.
You need to pin him.
I got your
Stay
cover,
down.
officer.
Don't move.
Go hands on.
Wait, is there an actual handcuffs thing?
Oh, yes. Press your inventory. There should be handcuffs.
Don't move.
Okay, is there a
Oh.
grab? Yes, there is. Stay down, okay.
I'm in custody. Alright.
This is 3 Mary 87 to dispatch. Pursuit code 4. Lift the air. Times 1 in custody.
Ungrab him before you go put him inside the car.
Yeah, I know. I
got you.
Okay. By the way, many cops made this
Get in the
mistake before, including me. You're supposed to put them on the other side. Remember?
Yeah.
So that you
Bro,
can
I
see.
taught this man that, bro. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
okay.
on this side. 'Cause
Okay,
if
can you
don't-
excuse me,
look.
SHP? Okay, you have the right to
You can
remain
see them
silent. Anything
easily.
you say, do or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one. Won't be provided to you by the state of California. Do you understand these rights I've read to you today?
Oh shit.
Oh yes, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
man knows his rights.
Your vehicle will be impounded, and you will have to pick that up after you're out of jail.
Alright.
So do we bring them to the SHP station or the BCS?
Oh,
Bring
you
them to
either.
bring them
Okay.
to
No.
SSPD.
Thing is, you bring them to the SSPD station. There's jail cells there. But then after that, you use the arrest tool to arrest them. And then they put.
So
they
the
get put.
SSPD, right?
Yeah,
Finish
and then once they're in jail, you use the arrest tool.
Oh my god, the lag.
Oh my